Alright guys, it's time to check out the incubator once again. And we're gonna check and look let's see how the eggs are doing. They look magnificent. And it looks like maybe Friday or Saturday, today is a Monday, these guys will probably hatch out. So fingers crossed. But we're gonna take a look at what they look like maybe a week before hatching. So I'm gonna take them out real quick. So it looks like we got 25 eggs that are still good. Go ahead and candle these. They are completely full. The light won't even go through. There we go. See those blood vessels? The baby's on the left side, it looks like. Oh, I can see a shadow of a baby over here. Yeah. Yep, it's full. That hollow space at the bottom is basically the only thing, any amount of space left. The rest is all baby. Put that down very carefully. Yeah, they're so full that shining the light, you can barely see any empty space now. If you look over here, you can see kind of that really edge is the only thing that's see kind of that really edge is the only thing that's showing now, but it's all baby. I'm gonna turn it. Being very gentle. There you go. Here's another cool look. Might even be able to see the baby move a little, I don't know. Or it could just be me trembling, I'm not sure. I have shaky hands, don't mind me. But yeah, you can see the blood vessels and you can see the shadow of the baby in there. You can kind of see the gel of the egg move around with the baby. But yeah, these guys are literally days from hatching now. See the shape of that baby a little bit. Ooh, it moved. You see it kind of, I wonder if it's reacting to the light a little bit. You can see its blob of its shape in that corner there, kind of moving. It's okay, baby. Ooh, I think I felt it pulse a little. That was kind of creepy. Whew. I'll leave him alone since he's kind of active in that egg. I'll be very gentle. Put him back in. Woo! That was kind of creepy. I felt a little pulse. But, yeah, that's awesome. Oh, wow, you can really see through this one. There we go. The baby's on the other side. You can see that shadow running up on the left there? That's the baby. The other side's probably all full. This is just the side full of gel. Let's turn it. Spin it. Yep. Baby's all on this side. I think this might be the head over here on the left. That's kind of cool. I don't think he's moving around right now. He is. That's so cool. We'll look at one more and then we'll leave them alone. We don't want to keep them out too long. They're really close to hatching. Don't want to mess them up. Looks like this one is kind of curled around the bottom there. Kind of see the curl of it running along the bottom. Can't wait to see what these guys look like. And you can kind of see the pink blood vessels. And it's kind of curled around the left there, you can see. Yeah. Alright, well, we will let those finish cooking. And they should be ready by the new year, maybe on the new year or maybe a day after. We usually get ours to hatch in about a month and 2 weeks, usually. And these are laid on November 15th, so it's been about a month and, let's see, a month and 13 days. So, actually, it should be happening pretty darn soon. It might even be happening tomorrow or the day after, actually, because these guys are pretty far along, and yeah. So, I might actually see another video this week of them hatching. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that little look at what the eggs look like right before hatching. And we'll see you next time.